progression, exercise 2, 15th question. For what value of n are the nth term of two arithmetic progression 63, 65, 67 so on and 3, 10, 17 so on are equal. See here they given two arithmetic progression and we should find out the nth term. What value of n are the terms of two arithmetic, that means here in these two terms which value of which term is equal in these two arithmetic progression, which term is equal. They are asking find out that term. Now here take first arithmetic progression 63, 65, 67 so on. Here A3 is 63 and D is equal to A2 minus A1, that means 65 minus 63, that means 65 minus 63 is 2. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term formula. Here an is equal to a value is 63 plus n minus 1 into d value is 2. Now an is equal to 63 plus here 2 into n 2n plus into minus minus 2 ones are 2. Now an is equal to 63 plus 2n minus 2. An is equal to 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n. This is equation 1. And now take second arithmetic progression 3, 10, 17 so on. Here a is 3, d is equal to a2 minus a1, that means 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. An is equal to 3 plus here 7 into n 7n plus into minus minus 7 ones are 7. Now an is equal to 7n minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. Now this is equation 2. Here according to the question nth term of both APs are equal. That means here an, here first an is equal to 61 plus 2n and second arithmetic progression an is equal to 7n minus 4. Now these two are equal. In the question they said nth term of both APs are equal. Okay. Now 61 here minus 4 comes to left hand side, it becomes plus 4 and 7n here plus 2 comes to right hand side, it will be minus 2n. Now 61 plus 4 is 65, that is equal to 7n minus 2n is 5n. Now 5n is equal to 65, n is equal to 65 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 13s are, therefore n is equal to 13. Hence the 13th term, two given arithmetic progressions are equal. That means in the first arithmetic progression and second arithmetic progression 13th term is equal. Now 16th problem. Determine the arithmetic progression whose third term is 16 and the 7th term exceed the 5th term by 12. That means here 7th term is exceed the 5th term by 12. That means 7th term is a7 is equal to a5 plus 12. a7, see here 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. That means a7 is equal to a5 plus 12. Now in the question what they given, third term is 16, that means a3 is equal to 16. a3 is equal to, we can write a3 like this, a plus 3 minus 1 into d, that means a3 is equal to a plus 2d. Now a plus 2d is equal to, here a3 is equal to 16, that's why a plus 2d is equal to 16. Okay, what they said, 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12, that means a7 is equal to a5 plus 12. This plus a5 comes to left hand side, it will be minus a5. That means a7 minus a5 is equal to 12. We can write a7, a plus 7 minus 1 into d minus a5, a plus 5 minus 1 into d is equal to 12. Now a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d minus a plus 5 minus 1 is 4d is equal to 12. Now a plus 6d plus into minus minus a, here plus into minus minus 4d is equal to 12. Here plus a minus a cancel. Now 6d minus 4d is 2d is equal to 12. D is equal to 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. Therefore, D is equal to 6. From equation 1, a plus 2d is equal to 6. In this equation, you submit d value. Okay. Now, a plus 2 into d value is 6 is equal to 16. A plus 2 6 are 12 is equal to 16. A is equal to here 16. This plus goes to right hand side, it will be minus 12. A is equal to 16 minus 12 is 4. Now, see, we know the d value and a value. Now, write down the general form of arithmetic progression. Now, what is the general form of arithmetic progression? A comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d, so on. Here a is 4, a plus d, that means a value 4 plus d value is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. Again a plus 2d, 4 plus 2 into d value is 6. 4 plus 2 6 are 12. 4 plus 12 is 16. Here a plus 3d, a value is 4 plus 3 into d value is 6. 4 plus 3 6 are 18. 4 plus 18 is 22. Now, therefore, the required arithmetic progression is 4 comma 10 comma 16 comma 22, so on. Now, 17th problem. Find the 20th term from the last term of the arithmetic progression 3 comma 8 comma 13 comma so on to 53. Here they are saying find 20th term in this arithmetic progression. Now, given arithmetic progression is 3 comma 8 comma 13 so on to 53. Now, nth term from the last is L minus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula. See here, nth term from the last n, L last term, d is common difference, then AL is equal to L minus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Now, here L is last term, that means 253, and A is first term 3, and D is equal to A2 minus A1, that means 8 minus 3 is 5. Now, nth term from the last is equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. That means here L is 253 minus n 20th term, that means n is equal to 20. 20 minus 1 into D value is 5. Now, 253 minus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 5. 253 minus 19 5s are 95. Now, 253 minus 95 is equal to 158. Therefore, the nth term from the last is 158. Same problem, we can do another method also. See, if they are saying last term means first you should write that arithmetic progression in reverse order. That means 253, so on 13 comma 8 comma 3. Here A is 253. D means A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, like that we can subtract these two. That means 8 minus 13. 8 minus 13 is minus 5. D is equal to minus 5. Here n is equal to 20. That is given. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term formula. An is equal to, here a is 253 plus n. N value is 20 minus 1 into d value is minus 5. An is equal to 253 plus n 20 minus 1 is 19 into minus 5. Now an is equal to 253. Here plus into minus minus, 19 5s are 95. Now an is equal to 253 minus 95 is 158.